Hello guys, it's Thomas Keck again, and I got something to show you. Pretty cool, just got it. It's my grandpa's, Papa, old tool set. Look at this bad boy, right here. Look at this. Got Tekken right there. Picks, Harbor Freight stuff. We got markers and stuff there. Odds and ends. Some more odds and ends. I believe this is a battery or antifreeze tester. Same with this. I think it's battery or... Look at that. Craftsman. Right. Made in the USA. Then we're going to start from here. More odds and ends, random piece of metal. I could go through there if you want, but you know what? I'm not going to. Here's my 3/8 drive. There we go. 3/8 drive Craftsman ratchet right here. Nice. Some Pittsburgh stuff. Craftsman. This I put up here because that's for Mom's oil filter. And the little baby 1/4. Then we got the adapters over here. And as you can guess, this is 1/2 drive. We got 1/2 drive extensions. Oh. Adapters. Ratchet. Little tiny breaker bar. Because why not? We got and more extensions, adapters going. That's 1/2 to 3/8, and then that's another 1/2 to 3/8. Got 2 of them. Why not? Actually, we got 3 of them. There we go. And then we got this one that goes from 1/2 to I think 1, which I don't have any of that. That one's probably not gonna get used, so. That's good. Thinking here I have, yeah, this is a 3/8. A 3/8 to a 1/2 drive, which, why not? Right here are my screwdrivers. This side, we start out with the big old to the small old. These are standards. Over here, this could be either one. We got Craftsman, the greatest quality name and tools. Wait for it. Sears Reebok 4-way screwdriver made in the USA. Then we got our Phillips. Right here, Phillips 4s, 3. Oh, yep, 3, 2. I think this is another Phillips 2. This is a P1 Phillips 1, and I think another Phillips 2. Yep. And then those are like weird shaped things. My pliers. We got Craftsman Professional Handy Cuts. We got Robo Grip. These can go to any size bolt. There we go. Let me get the bigger one. Show these little cool things. Look at this. All right, so let's say you need to get this bolt or nut right here off. Look at that. It just grips to any size and locks in place. Pretty cool. Put that back in my junk car. Those are pretty cool. We got. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, I can. Another Craftsman Professional. This one's really weird. Look at this sucker. Ever seen a It's a Craftsman something. I can't read it. But basically another set of pliers. Then we got the normal. We got the cool channel locks or channel locks. So yeah, there's oil filter wrenches and stuff. So cool. Here's all my sockets. 3/8. These first two right here, and including this one over here, are 3/8. Some sockets that are on stuff. 1/4. A 1/2 Montgomery Ward, made in the USA, power cart torque wrench. Old school right there, baby. That's really old. We got a Cobalt 1/2 breaker bar, big one. Look at this. I showed you this. I showed you this one. Look at the size difference. On Tom and Dill Motors, you will see, I think you will see these. So, I don't have to go over what they can do and stuff. Go check that video out on Tom and Dill Motors. Another torque wrench, PT tool, more sockets, impact sockets, more impact sockets. So there you go. 3/8, 1/2, 1/4. Now here comes the wrenches. These are all forged in the US of A. These go up to in this drawer, it goes up from 10 all the way up to 20. And over here, it goes from 7/16 all the way to 1 inch. And everything in between. So here are the wrenches that would fit, or if I had duplicates. There's some line wrenches, some random wrenches, pretty much a box in. We have another 13/16, 3/4, 11/16, another 11/16. We got 3 of those. 5/8, 9/16, 1/2, 8 mil, which yes, I actually have all the way from 9 mil to 20 mil, but they're down here. I'm put them in the drawer as well. Oh, they could fit. This one's 9. There we go. We got all the way from 8 to 20. And 7/16, 1/2. I think I got. I think I could fit. Can I fit 3/8 up here? Oh, she'll be there we go. 3/8 to 1 inch. These are all the wrenches that would not fit, or if I had duplicates. Empty drawer. The Allens and punches, tap and dicing, drill thing, a punch. There we go. That shows you. China. Oh well, it still do. I know. I think some of this stuff Chinese. A lot of this old Craftsman stuff says USA on it. A lot of the pop stools were Craftsman. Nope. There's all the punches and stuff. There's Source hammer. This thing does not look big. My hand, if you ever seen my hand in real life, yeah, that's pretty big, and it's bloody heavy. We got a ball peen, rubber mallet, carpenting hammer. No, brass, homemade. Look at that. Look what he popped. Grandfather did. I think it's like a 2x4 or something. Put the head on because the one that was on broke. Then we got rubber gloves, not open because I haven't had anything to do. There's like 100 in there, so yeah, that's only lasts a while. We got drill bits and drill bits. Look at that. Pull out. There's some of the drill bits. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. More drill bits and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Another empty drawer, but you know what I say about empty drawers? Especially if it's old, this nice Craftsman toolbox. Guess what? Empty drawer, you know what that means? More tools, right? Comment down below if you agree. The anything drawer. Some Craftsman staples, some wire brushes, soldering doodad gun, monkey wrenches I call them, pipe wrenches, on some, that's WD-40 on it, don't worry about that. Some Ghostbuster looking, there, that's better. On and off switch, rag. Yeah, probably has a piece of metal on the bottom of it. We got magnet, and this is not Chinesian metal. This is more likely made in the USA. Oregon. This is a chainsaw blade sharpener, so we could probably. It'll go right there. Then on this side we have a Stanley construction grade heavy duty US of A 100-foot tape measure. Never know when you need a 100-footer. And construction grade metal steel. Okay. $25 feet. Tape measure. Besides a magnetic level, this ain't gonna be. She's not tearing. Yeah, ranchero. Let me. Oh, that was a little loud, but. There we go. See, level there. It's all warped in spots. But if you come down here, set it down. She's pretty level. Close enough. But she's level in this plane. Put that back there because it's magnetic, so why not? We got, look at that. Craftsman garage door openers. Look at that. From 96, those numbers right there are stuck in time. This toolbox is kind of stuck in time. Brought it over here, reorganized everything. There's part number there. And part number there. And a part number there. Yeah, and then I'll move my stool. I'll walk back. There's my 3-ton jack stands and jack from PT, because the only one that I can find professional performance tool, but just tool, whatever its name is. There you go. There's the Craftsman toolbox. My mom's 24-volt cobalt hedger, really good. Even though it's kind of, the bar moves kind of slow, but it's really good. The door, she's nice and secured down. That part right there, that silver thing, from a 1955 Chrysler New Yorker St. Regis Deluxe was my papa's antique car. Down there is a sander. That's, I think, is pretty much it. There's another shot of her. So, yeah, signing off. Bye.